3 bizarre signs you are becoming rich. You are attracting more money. That financial breakthrough is happening right now. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 signs that you never heard of on how you are becoming rich right now. I just woke up this morning and like the universe had spoke to me and was like, tell them this, tell them this. You know, I'm really in tune and tapped in with my intuition. And that's what I heard this morning. The universe was like, tell them this. And I saw in my vision, like the 3 signs, like what it means if you're becoming more rich. You know, and this is a financial breakthrough. So if you're watching this video, you're watching this video because you were sent to watch this video. It was meant for you. There's a reason for everything. And you are destined to have money. You are destined to have a financial breakthrough. You are destined to be rich. Okay, so listen to these signs. I'm gonna break them down for you. It's gonna be real easy. Listen through the whole video. If these signs apply to you, then you need to go into your regular everyday life and you need to act accordingly, because this is real serious business. This is what you need to know on your journey, because it's like, I guess the universe is telling me like money is knocking at your door. Like the opportunity of a financial breakthrough is knocking at your door. And the thing you have to do is you have to get the right key. For somehow you just like coming across the wrong keys and you're trying to do all the keys. One more key you need to do. You know, and then you need to apply what I'm telling you right now. You need to prepare. You need to prepare because you're transitioning into a phase of your life where it's going to be all about money. And no longer do you have to worry about financial issues anymore. Okay, so one of the first things that you will experience when becoming rich, one of the most bizarre things that you will experience is your whole paradigm will begin to shift. Now, when I say paradigm, I mean your reality. Now, if you're not spiritual, this is where you're going to have to use a little bit of your spiritual energies to like understand what I'm talking about right now, okay? If you're just all about the physical and you can only believe what you see with your own 2 eyes, then that's not enough, okay? This is one of the major changes that you're going to have to apply in order to inherit all of the cash that's trying to flow into your life. Your paradigm will begin to shift. And when your paradigm and your reality begins to change, a lot of weird things begin to happen that have no explanation for itself. You understand what I'm saying? Like when you are pressing and driving to like open the door to let this cash flow, this you know abundance to flow from the heavens, folks. The universe has to change your reality. You can no longer stay in the same environment. You can no longer stay around the same people. You can no longer think the same way. Yeah, you can no longer think the same way. All of this has to be changed. Your sleeping patterns can no longer be the same. There's no more going to bed at 8 o'clock and waking up at 8 o'clock. You know what I mean? That has to change. Everything that you think about your old life has to change. And the way that the universe is going to do that is by changing stuff in your reality. So some of you might lose a lot of things. Some of you might go through pitfalls and downfalls. Some of you might just get out of relationships. You know, some of you just might be in situations that is so jacked up and it feels like people are like going against you all of a sudden, and it's just like things are happening all of a sudden and it's all coming down on you. And if you're not smart, and I know you are because you're watching this video, if you're not smart and you think like everybody else thinks that it's all against them. The truth and the trick of the universe, the trick of how becoming extremely rich when your reality is shifting, is to realize that everything that happens, whether good or bad, is happening for you. This is the secret that all rich people know. This is why all rich people walk around with a smile on their face. I can guarantee you, when you see a millionaire in the room, they smiling or they doing something positive, they shaking people's hands. So this is what you have to do. You have to get in the habit of realizing that whether things are going negative or positive, everybody else around you is mad, wasting their energy. You keep your energy, and you always know that it's happening for you and that it's a sign that your reality is changing and you are becoming rich. You know, you're becoming extremely rich. Another sign that you're becoming bizarrely rich that you probably never heard of is you will begin to get a lot of attention. You will begin to get a lot of attention. And when I say attention, I mean you begin to get attention from family members. You begin to get attention from you know, people that work at your job. You know, you'll begin to get a lot of attention, like everything paying attention to you. You know, even though you're probably going through this like struggle in your life right now, this, you know, you're trying to get to this financial breakthrough, it will be a lot of attention focused on you. You know, a lot of people will be blaming you for things that you don't have any responsibility for. A lot of people will begin to want to put their problems on you. A lot of people are going to want to start hanging out with you. A lot of people just want to be involved. You're gonna have people that come out the blue that you don't even know that swear they know you. You're gonna have people like knocking at your door that oh my bad, it's the wrong door. I was just they just want to be nosy. It'll be a lot of energy and activity that starts to come into your life when you are becoming rich. And see, this is not something that's happening in the outside. That's why I want to tell y'all to subscribe to my channel. That's right beside my name over here in the bottom right hand corner. Make sure you subscribe because I talk about the universe and money a lot. Okay, so this is not something that's outside happening on the outside world. The truth is you are changing internally. Financial breakthrough, you're changing internally about all your beliefs and how you see money and how you think money can come to you and how you feel about you deserving money. You're changing everything on the inside. So when you're changing everything on the inside, then the outside world, like Bruce Lee says, since it's like water, it reflects that. The outer world only reflects how you feel about the money that's coming into your life right now. And it'll create situations like that. So when you get a lot of activity, this means that, embrace, prepare. Because not only now, it's reflected and a lot of other people know. And a lot of people can sense your energy. Something else that you must be, the last one I want to tell you that you must be aware of, when you're becoming rich, the financial breakthrough is, keeping positive energy. Keeping positive energy. The only way you're going to be able to attract this large cash flow into your life, the only way is when you're always freaking upbeat, you have gratitude, you have integrity, you're positive, man. That is the hardest. That's why I say this for last. This is the hardest thing to do because so many people fall victim to circumstances and situations that don't go their way every single day. Every single day, people fall into just talking about other people, wasting energy, gossip, wasting energy. Crying, getting mad about something that didn't go, wasting energy. Relationship arguments, wasting energy. Traffic jams, you going that way, stop. Wasting energy. Can't keep your energy. You got to get in the habit of keeping your energy. A lot of people can't do that. A lot of people are so quick to react negative. And every time you react negative, every time in 24 hours, if you didn't watch my How to Manifest Money in 24 hours, click this little tag right here. Click that tag right there. I'm going to tell you how to manifest money in every 24 hours. Okay? So the reason why most people can't track money and get that financial breakthrough and level up and start getting money in 24 hours, it's because they're every day they're giving in to little whims that happen in their day. That it appears as though things are going wrong, but the truth is the universe is trying to protect you when a car comes out in front of you and you don't hit it. 2 seconds on down the road, you was destined to get in a car accident. You understand what I'm saying? Subscribe, folks. Subscribe. Click that little subscribe button and press the bell notification beside the subscribe button so that you can be updated with these new videos every single day. Thank you so much for tuning in, folks. I'm Trent Henderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. And if you want to watch another one of these financial breakthroughs and you really feeling it right now, if this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. Also, watch this video right here. This is another video on how to manifest your financial breakthrough. These are the signs and the symptoms that you should understand and know, when it comes down to manifesting this financial breakthrough that's knocking at your door right now. That's why you watch this video, okay? I need you to go there, and I will see you in the next video. All right, for those of you who are subscribed, make sure that you get in contact with me one-on-one. I'm giving coaching services out and whatnot, and so you might want to sign up. Just go to my website, which is in the description section of this video. Once you go to that website, you'll see where it says Realm Team Sign Up. Go to Realm Team Sign Up. That's right. And you sign up, and then I will be contacting you, and we will talk about abundance, law of attraction, money, and how you can obtain this financial breakthrough in your life. I know, so I can definitely help you in the next 24 hours on how to get this money really fast. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Trent Henderson, folks. I'll see y'all in that next video. Peace. Subscribe. Hit the video. Or subscribe. Subscribe.